What if I told you there is a single modification that could save you thousands in repair bills, boost your engine's power, and eliminate one of the most troublesome systems in modern diesels? Sounds tempting, right? But here's the catch. It's illegal in many places and could land you with hefty fines. Today, we're talking about DPF delete. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this topic splits diesel owners right down the middle. What is a DPF and why remove it? The Diesel Particulate Filter, DPF, is designed to trap harmful soot particles before they exit the exhaust, keeping emissions cleaner. Over time, it fills up with soot and needs to regenerate, burning that soot off to keep your engine efficient. A DPF delete does exactly what the name suggests. It eliminates the filter from the exhaust system. This can be done in two ways: physically removing the filter and replacing it with a straight pipe, gutting the filter element inside the housing so it still looks stock from the outside. Either way, the soot is no longer filtered, and that comes with both benefits and drawbacks. The upsides of DPF delete: number 1, more power. With the restrictive filter gone, exhaust gases flow more freely. If paired with the proper ECU tune, this can unlock additional horsepower and torque. Number 2, better fuel economy. The DPF creates back pressure, which makes your engine work harder. Removing it can improve efficiency, often by 5 to 10%. Number 3, no more clogging issues. A clogged DPF can cause sluggish performance or even force the engine into limp mode. Once it's gone, that problem disappears entirely. Number 4, lower repair costs. A failed DPF can cost thousands to replace. Deleting it eliminates that risk. No more expensive regeneration cycles or filter replacements. Number 5, improved reliability. With fewer components to fail, your diesel can be more dependable over the long run. The downsides of DPF delete: 1, higher emissions. Without a filter, your exhaust gases are dirtier. Depending on how strict local testing is, your car could fail emissions inspections outright. 2, more smoke and noise. Some vehicles produce more visible exhaust smoke and louder engine noise after a delete, especially if the tune isn't spot on. 3, ECU reprogramming required. The engine's computer must be updated after removing the DPF. Without it, you'll likely see error codes, reduced performance, or even limp mode. 4, legal risks. In many countries, tampering with emissions equipment is prohibited. A DPF delete can technically make your vehicle unroadworthy. And yes, the fines can be serious. How is a DPF delete done? There are 3 main approaches. Gut the filter element, keeps the housing intact and looks stock from the outside. Replace everything with a straight pipe. Gives maximum flow but is obvious to spot. Software-only method. Disabling DPF monitoring in the ECU, usually combined with physical removal. Parts are relatively cheap, a few hundred to maybe $1,000 if you buy a kit. But the ECU tuning is the critical step and can cost anywhere from $500 to $3,000, depending on your vehicle and tuner. Doing it yourself is risky. One wrong move can fry the ECU. Are there alternatives to deleting the DPF? Yes. Professional DPF cleaning services can clear blockages for a fraction of the cost of replacement. Changing driving habits, like doing more highway miles or driving at higher RPMs, helps the filter regenerate properly. The bottom line, deleting your DPF can give you more power, better mileage, and lower repair bills. But it also increases emissions, may draw legal trouble, and absolutely requires a proper tune. It's not a black and white decision. It's a calculated risk. For some drivers, it makes perfect sense. For others, it could be the worst decision they ever make. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more diesel insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.